Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can already tell by the title, we are going to go to my son's doctor appointment when we're literally in a blizzard. Like, not even joking. Alright guys, we have officially made it. It is, let's focus. It is 12:56. It's not focusing. It's 12:56. We made it. We're about to go in. I'll update you guys when we're in the room. Made it to the appointment. He's playing right now. We'll see how long it takes for them to call us back. It's currently 1 p.m. Our appointment's I think at 1:15, but they always tell me to be here 15 minutes early. So we'll see how long it takes. My baby. I'm gonna take your gloves off. My handsome baby. Always got your curls out. And Jima's back there. Say hi to the vlog, Jima. Oh my gosh, guys. We just got him. He's all undressed. He's doing good so far. Really good, huh? You going good? You better do good. Every time he acts up, he always acts up when Dr. Mendoza comes in. Yeah, he said yeah. But he is 3 feet tall. So literally he's in like over the 99th percentile. Or he's in the 99th percentile, I believe. And then his weight is up there too. And his head? Oh yeah, that's big. Yeah.
Like this. Nice. Like this one. Nice and clear. So no wax, okay? Oh, hang on. Let's take a look. Why don't you hold them that way? And then, there we go. Thank you. Good job. Okay, so you've got lots of teeth already.
Yes.
You can start brushing it. Okay. Oh, you know what? You can sit right at the edge for a second. And don't move. Oh, he doesn't want me to hold him. Nice. Good breathing. Now he can lay down. Okay.
Yay, good job. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, you're gonna be strong.
Yeah.
You see how big he is? Only 18 months and he's off the charts.
It's okay, buddy.
I know, you know something's happening.
Here we go.
You're okay, baby.
Okay.
This is what we're getting so far. I don't think he needs it. I ran into the Target queen herself. Hey. This is what I've got so far. I really want to try these cake pops. We'll see if they're good.
Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks. See you again soon.
Little update. We are currently at Starbucks, as you guys can tell. Mama got her drink. And I actually got strawberry acai this time because, I don't know, I wanted to try something different. Should have got something warm because it's freaking snowing outside. But you know, we're crazy, so. And then we got like a sandwich so we can eat right now. Because we haven't ate all day. And it's literally 2 p.m. But yeah, so we're gonna drive home now after this, right? Or did you want to go somewhere else?
We gotta get Walmart pickup.
Oh yeah, we have to do her Walmart pickup, and then after that we're gonna head home. So I will most likely update you guys when we're back at the house. Bye. This is how the roads are looking right now. They're not that bad. They're very much like slushy vibes right now.
Yes.
They're like slushy vibes. But yeah, it's still snowing. It's gonna be snowing all day, so it's gonna get worse. And baby's back there chilling. Yeah, baby. He got his shots, as you guys will see. I'll insert that clip. But yeah, we're gonna head home. Bye, guys. Alright guys, so we have officially made it home. We're back home, as you guys can tell. Tell him we're back home. I'm gonna take him inside and then we have to shovel. It's literally starting to snow like thicker and harder, so we have to hurry up and shovel so then it's not too much like later or tomorrow. You laughing? I think he's gonna take a nap because he's got some shots and I have to give him medicine, so let's go. Alright guys, so there's no light, but I'll put a little bit of light for my phone. But we are just gonna close off the video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I think it was a pretty short vlog, but I just wanted to vlog literally going out in the freaking snowstorm to go take my son to his doctor's appointment. And then yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys next time. Bye.